What is up, guys? We are in Phuket, Thailand. We've actually been here for a few days now, but we're really excited to show you the hotel we just checked into. We are at the AVISTA GRANDE here in Karon Beach. Let's show you the room. As soon as you walk in, you put your key card right in this little slot that turns the electricity on. And this is the area we put our luggage. Moving forward, we have the first out of our 3 closet setup. It has a safe and plenty of storage. The second closet has your bathrobes, flip-flops for the pool, with an ironing board, umbrella, and plenty of hangers. So we have an area here with coffee and tea. There's also fresh drinking water that's replaced daily and an ice bucket that you can get filled up just by calling for room service. Moving into your main living area, you have your desk where you can get some work done and your TV that's right across from your king-size bed. So this bed looks incredible and we cannot wait to sleep here tonight. Moving over here, we have our love seat, which is incredibly comfortable, and across from this is a reading nook area with light and a nice little seat. What I really can't wait to show you guys is the bathroom. So we have a wonderful bathroom area here with a tub big enough for 2 people, single vanity, and some nice little amenities. Moving over here, we have our shower area, accompanied next to it by our bathroom area. And this is one of the main reasons that we booked this room. This is our balcony complete with mountain view, 2 seating areas big enough for 2 people apiece, and a nice little table to have your coffee in the morning. Now let's show you guys the pool area. The pool has a bar where you can get light snacks and drinks with happy hour starting at 3 p.m. There are these great loungers absolutely everywhere with umbrellas that sit in the water, so it's really refreshing. It's a beautiful open and green space, and the water is the perfect temperature for any time of day you want to go swimming. Let's go check out breakfast. Breakfast has everything you could want, from fresh fruit, yogurt, and cereals, to pastries, bagels, and even eggs made to order. You can even order hot lattes from the bar. And we got all of this for under $70 a night.